Good morning, good morning. It's the next day, nice and early. I'm waiting on the crew to show up. I'm just kind of getting moseying around a little bit and get these greenhouses opened up. Favorite part of my morning, every morning. Just come in my nursery, see all my babies. Makes me feel all better inside. These are all the peppers we potted up. They look nice. Some more on this side. Just gonna get the team here. We're gonna start getting potatoes. Today's the potato day. We're gonna plant potatoes. I'm so excited. I don't know that we can get it all done in one day, but we also have a really awesome team and we've got a lot of hands. So I don't know, I'm just trying to keep the pressure low. We've got rain now, I guess, coming in on Wednesday potentially. So hopefully it's later in the day on Wednesday and we can just have today, tomorrow, and Wednesday morning at least. Cause yeah, we've got so many plants to go out. I think Kelsey just showed up.
Morning! What's up?
All right.
Tater day?
Tater day.
Tater day.
Half the crew's here.
Yeah.
We need everybody today.
We need everybody.
Hoorah. Already at it. Haven't even said good morning to you, Jonathan. Here you are, already at work.
Oh, I need a light.
We appreciate you.
Sure.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Hoorah. Save seed from our own farms.
Right, that's cool.
Good morning.
Hey! How's it going?
Good, I'm ready.
This is Eva.
Hi.
She's joined our team now, and it's potato day, so we need it.
Oh,
so
great.
yeah, rock and roll. So I don't know if you want to hop up in the trailer and help Kelsey. She might need a hand, but we're just gonna. She'll guide you. We're gonna unload these taters, load this truck up, and then we're gonna get the other truck loaded up.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
So these magic mollies are purple on the inside, purple skin, purple on the inside. We have red skin, white flesh. We have yellow skin, yellow flesh.
All right, guys, full truck, ready to rock. We're gonna fill up the other one and hit the road.
Looking good. Got the Belmondos done. Got the Belmondos done.
Yay!
Belmondos are done, man, finally.
Good job.
How's it going, Jossie?
Going good.
We're doing it.
I think we finished that, well, what we have of that variety out, and I think we need to unload Kelsey's truck next.
Yeah. Depends on how many we want to plant, because what's in Kelsey's truck is all of our own saved seed from our crop from last year.
Perfect.
So.
There's our buddy.
There's Kelsey. Jonathan's finishing up that row, I think, out there. Maybe they have another bed to do. I'm not quite sure, but we're doing it, guys. We're doing it. We're really doing it.
Really doing it. Not fake doing it.
Really doing it.
Look at that yellow mustard. Holy cow. That looks fantastic. We're on to this other field. We're almost finished with this one. I gotta finish filling up those last few beds. But yeah, we're moved on to this field and they're working their butts off. Does it just look beautiful out here, or is it you? You may not be able to tell, but this is the time of the eclipse, I think.
It looks weird out.
It looks weird out, so... Oh, there's Jonathan leaving. It looks weird out though, right?
It's happening right now. Sure. You been in an eclipse before? Good.
It's totally weird out here. You guys have to be able to see this. Like, it's definitely dim or like weird. I don't know. So anyway, we're dropping the trailer off because tomorrow morning we need to load it up and basically just gut this thing. So yeah, maybe 2 trailer loads, who knows. This place looks great though. Oh, it's not as dry as I thought it would be. Looking good. Looking real good. Yeah, I'll water it so that tomorrow morning it's all ready. So I'm back. Had to go home, take a little nappy poo, eat a little snacky poo, and yeah, get back in the saddle, right? So I gotta prep for tomorrow now, so I'm not delayed the team just like I did last night, and that worked out great, right? We were able to just get going this morning. So same thing tomorrow, only instead of potatoes, which we weren't able to finish, but we were able to get all the early potatoes in. We got everything but the fingerlings and the storage potatoes in, the Irish potatoes. So yeah, looks great. You saw as I pulled in, these beds look great. I got over here to do, right, tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but probably when we're done with this next storm. That's probably what's going to happen. So, yeah, I'm going to come over to this field and prep for tomorrow, which is for all the transplants. I'm going to put the power harrow on and make up some beds over here. And that's my mission tonight. First things first, let's get this tool off. Alright, it's my first time using this year, so I want to make sure I check these fluids here. Just loosen them up with the pliers. And nothing crazy there. This one I just loosen up and do all the debris around it. Oh yeah. Well above that one. Alright, I feel good about this. Alright, so what is this tool? This is a power harrow. So everyone's familiar, at least they would be interested in this channel, in like a regular box tiller, right? Where the tines turn this way. Well, these are tines flipped up on their vertical and turn this way, thus mixing and cracking crust and, you know, creating a fine tilth without any of that compaction that comes from when them tines are turned down with all that weight on it. So now in the back is this roller here that breaks up any extra clumps that might still be there. Typically or not, I would imagine, but nonetheless, it does break them up and leaves a nice, like, firm bed behind that is uniform, ready for seeding or planting, as you'll see. We're gonna put her into gears that fit this tool, RPMs that fit that. We will turn PTO on. Smooth as butter. 4-wheel drive on. We will pull forward and drop our tool at the same time. Looks fantastic. I got a little while to beat the sun down. Maybe another hour in. Just need to make up these few beds ready for tomorrow. Probably gonna put together an acre of beds here, just so that we are really ready for anything. So, yeah. Looks pretty sweet and straight to me, so even doing that while talking to you guys, that's what I'm talking about. Any other farmers out there just trying to get a straight line on their rows? Get these like funny poses that you just can't move. Like, my elbow fits on my leg in that perfect spot, and I say keep it right there. You'd think it worked that way, right? But no. At least not my track. You've always got to be dancing with it, but still you like put your head in the same spot every time, or like whatever. Anyway, other growers who know what I'm talking about. This is awesome. This is looking great. You guys can see. Alright, just prepping these beds, getting ready for the morning time. If I make 20 passes, 2 20 back and forth is 1 acre. So I need a couple acres worked up. Exactly how many I need, I'm not exactly sure, but that's not really important. You know, I'm just doing what I gotta do. Before I need it. Always about being on time and proactive. Trying to make sure I have more than enough ready almost. We're gonna put this thing to use in the morning. I'm very excited to put this thing to use because that means I don't have to be on my hands and knees. And I'm getting too old for that anymore. So, I mean, I'm nowhere near old, but still, you know what I'm saying. After been doing this for a while, maybe you don't know, but it's a beater. Yeah, I'm the beater, I guess. So yeah, I got this all worked up. Basically everything that I fertilized yesterday. Yeah, time's moving fly. Time's moving fast. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm gonna end this video. You have to stay tuned on the next one to see what I'm doing with that transplanter tomorrow. But yeah, man, things are moving quick and I wish I had more time. Maybe this next storm will pause up a day for me and I can really squeeze it all in, but we're doing what we can and we're not gonna stress about it, right? So it is what it is. Guys, I really appreciate your support. I appreciate that there's people wanting to watch what I'm doing and maybe, hopefully, get inspired, you know, to do whatever, but hop up and get at it, you know? So this is where I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I'm gonna go home and get some dinner. It's perfectly laid out, farmer time. So yeah, don't forget, this would be a hobby if you don't show up. So cheers.